Question 301. Describe a successful Azure DevOps project you led from conception to deployment. I spearheaded a migration project to Azure DevOps, collaborating with cross-functional teams to plan, execute, and monitor the transition. By automating workflows, implementing CI/CD pipelines, and optimizing resource utilization, I successfully delivered the project on time and within budget, achieving improved productivity and agility for the organization. Question 302. What are the benefits of using Azure DevOps for infrastructure as code? Azure DevOps allows for version control, collaboration, and automated deployment of infrastructure changes. By using tools like ARM templates or Terraform with Azure DevOps, we can ensure consistency and reproducibility in our deployments. Question 303. How would you troubleshoot a failing build in Azure DevOps? I would start by checking the build logs to identify the error, review the build definition for any misconfigurations, and ensure dependencies are correctly set up. I might also run the build locally to replicate the issue. Question 304. Describe a time when you had to optimize a CI/CD pipeline in Azure DevOps for performance. I analyzed the pipeline stages to identify bottlenecks, optimized build scripts for efficiency, parallelized tasks where possible, and leveraged caching mechanisms to reduce build times. Continuous monitoring and tweaking were essential for ongoing improvements. Question 305. Have you worked with Azure DevOps boards for project management? How do you use them effectively? Yes, I use Azure DevOps boards to track and prioritize work items, create sprints, assign tasks, and monitor progress. I find its integration with repositories and pipelines to be valuable for seamless development workflows. Question 306. How would you integrate Azure DevOps with third-party tools like Jira or Slack? I would use Azure DevOps service hooks or webhooks to establish bidirectional communication between Azure DevOps and external tools. This allows for real-time updates, notifications, and data synchronization across platforms. Question 307. Explain the concept of infrastructure as code and its significance in Azure DevOps. Infrastructure as code involves defining and managing infrastructure resources through code rather than manual processes. In Azure DevOps, this approach ensures consistent, repeatable deployments, version control, and automation of infrastructure changes. Question 308. Can you discuss the importance of monitoring and logging within Azure DevOps pipelines? Monitoring and logging provide visibility into pipeline performance, identify bottlenecks, track errors, and ensure compliance. By utilizing tools like Azure Monitor, Application Insights, or custom logging, we can proactively address issues and optimize workflows. Question 309. How do you handle continuous integration for a project with multiple branches in Azure DevOps? I configure branch policies to enforce code quality checks before merging, set up triggers to run builds on specific branches, and utilize feature flags for controlled deployment. Branching strategies like Git flow help manage parallel development efforts effectively. Question 310. Describe a situation where you had to scale Azure DevOps resources to accommodate increased workload. I monitored resource utilization, identified performance bottlenecks, optimized pipelines for efficiency, and scaled up or out based on demand. Leveraging Azure DevOps features like parallel jobs, self-hosted agents, and resource groups was crucial for scalability. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.